This is how much pounds of sliced fish is this? Babes, help me out. 1 kg, which is 2.5 pounds basically, of sliced fish. We got say hi. You don't like to know, mama. You're very heavy.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Come, Malika.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you guys might have noticed by the introduction of this video, we're doing a shopping video for you guys once again. Today we're in Superstore, which is our go-to store when we're doing our regular grocery shopping. So doing our regular grocery shopping today, taking you guys along with us. We try to do these videos as often as possible for you guys to see the actual cost of living. So as we are experiencing it, you guys are also experiencing it as well. If you guys like this kind of video, let me know in the comment section, smash a like and definitely subscribe to our channel. Let's go and pick up some groceries, guys. The reason why this video is even more important today, guys, is at the start of this video, you guys would have seen me share a clip that showed the store putting up a sign that represented all the items that are being tariffed at the moment, that the tariff affects at the moment. So of course there's an ongoing trade war between Canada and the US, and a lot of things are impacted. So groceries are definitely going to be a little bit more expensive than what it usually is. So hopefully it's not that more expensive, right? So we're going to show you guys everything that we're picking up today and show you guys the price at the end of this video. I'm here with my family. That's 2 girls. Let's go, guys. She's asking if she can get a coloring book. What do you think?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while? Yeah, it's your call. Malia, put it in the cart. Mommy say you can get it. Did you tell mommy thank you?
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Go.
Put it in the cart.
Nothing else.
Put it in the cart. No wonder why she likes going shopping, because she always gets something. Put it in the cart, Malia. Put it in the cart, Malia.
Put it in the cart, please. Okay, hold on to it.
What's that?
Blackout curtain.
A blackout curtain. What's the price? That's a charcoal. Is it the same thing?
$15.
$15? That's not bad. The price not bad though. I will need one for their room. It's up to you if you want to buy it now or off Amazon or whatever. Cheaper than Walmart.
Really?
Yeah.
How much are Walmart?
I think it's now like $9.69 or something like that. You need to eat food. You need to eat food. Think my laugh with her. Yeah, you need to eat food.
Easter savings are in full bloom. From dinner favorites to everyday staples, new deals are dropping every week until April 21st. Plus, stack up those key Scrumble points while you're at it. Right up your savings when they're right in front of you. This spring, find 4 ways to save on products from Mary Kent. Conditions apply, supply for details.
Save time, shop online. With PC Express Pass, enjoy unlimited grocery delivery pickup for a full year.
Or do you know it's summertime coming very soon? This not bad deals. This actually affordable. Superstore is full today, man. Yeah. I'll hold your hands.
They just look dry up.
They look good.
They look dried up.
Look dry up.
Look this.
You're not pick up the strawberry, no? Oh. What's for the raspberry? This look better? Also more expensive, so probably them fresher.
Even the bread and either. Look better than those.
Yeah, them look alright, man. Tangerine?
It's called Christmas oranges.
It's called Christmas oranges?
Yeah. I'm like, mandarina or tangerine as we call it. Yes, it's Christmas oranges. They're not good for you. I'm like,
Why not?
you say here. You heard that.
Molly, I don't know. These look fresh.
Wetty wet.
Wetty wet? They look fresh, man. Another 27. Banana there, man. You think these are green enough to cook? Enough for your stuff. Pick up some green banana, guys. I'm just gonna pick up this 5-finger because I don't want to have too much on there, right? Just have to boil tonight. We're gonna put this with
It's a green banana, red banana.
green banana.
Okay. Yeah, green. This one is a green. Yeah.
Yeah, the small ones. But I don't see the price for the avocado here.
Avocado small.
Hmm? Yes, baby. Come on, mama. Come on, Leah. Getting some green pepper? Too? $4.49 per pound. That's pretty expensive. Man.
Yeah, bell pepper.
Eh?
I don't know bell pepper.
What about these? This is like you get 4 for 6.
Mix.
Fly of fish, mini pepper,
You say 6.
or the green sweet pepper. Pepper is green sweet, which is these $4.99. 4.
Green
Yeah.
pepper.
This better than that, I think. I think, yeah?
Put it down.
They have plantain. $1.27 per pound. Go for the big one, them, the big one, them, all of them are same size. Pepper smell nice, see? Preserve them pretty though. Yeah, spirit there. The GMO.
We're gonna be here.
5 pound of carrots for $5. Yeah, well, so we don't have any. Yeah. They say white, but it's yellow yam, but they have white yam for the thing. Let's see. This is like 3 pounds maybe. Got different piece? Yam specialist. Yeah guys, so Malika is having a meltdown here in the store. I don't think we show you guys often, a lot of times when she's having a breakdown or meltdown, but this is one of the times, right? So this is what we have to deal with sometimes. So I pass the garbage bags.
We need
Small.
smallest black fish.
How much come in there? Okay. Cause you have large here, some for $6, $7, but a 16. No name. That's the one white as well. So one white bag as well?
Yeah, it's gonna need.
Oh, babes, careful. Cherry spring blossom to be exact. Because it's springtime. What's that?
It's a piece I use on white and clean.
The pink stuff.
Pink stuff.
Pine Sol. $5.99. No, it's cleaning product, baby. Bleach? Hush, baby having a meltdown. Baby having a meltdown. No, it's alright. $7 paper towel. What else you need? Malia, put on the soap. We don't need any laundry soap. They'll cover the camera. Yeah, I know. I know, baby. Feeling better?
Come, Malia.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
I want to take up a bigger bottle underneath for $4.
We don't need so much bleach.
Don't need so much, yeah?
We
Okay.
use this in like every 4 to 6 months.
Okay.
Not so much bleach. Because it's really strong.
That's air freshener, baby. Okay. Let's keep it moving. Oh, we need Ziploc bag. Waiting on us to come and pick up the Ziploc bag, guys. I don't make these decisions. Yes, let's be real. We say like if I don't know Ziploc bag, let's be real. I am gonna pick up one and then you're gonna say, babes, that's not the one that is either you're gonna say it's not the good one or it's not the one you want or whatever. So instead I just wait until you come and pick the one that you think is best. Don't open it, Malika. Okay, that's it. And plus no name is made in.
Where?
Where's it made? It's made in Canada. Pretty sure it is. I don't know. This one? I'll just stack up this stuff. $5.50. And this is 100 inch. Okay, let's go. Excuse me. Look, these are your options, Malaya. You have apple juice, fruit punch, or raspberry, or mango.
Daddy, what is up there?
What is up here? This one? This one is fruit punch. This one? This one is... No, we're not buying that one, Malaya. So either this one, or that one. Which one? Mango, raspberry, apple, or fruit punch?
Mango.
Mango? Okay. $5.50. Remember when these were like for $3? Malia, get from the cart. So it's in the carts. It's movie night tonight. Friday night. $4.
Yes.
Unless I'm gonna no name. $5. We go ahead. No name is like in every single item. That's crazy.
Put it in.
For movie night, what movie you gonna watch? Could do some of that with the food. Malia, this one for $14.
14.
14, not bad. Yeah, I get quite a few quarters. That's not terrible.
No, that's all. Any expiry date?
This is $7.56.
That's before, but hey, money and stuff.
These are pretty affordable. This is not bad. $7.40. Not bad. We have franks? We did franks, right?
Yeah, we need
And a goat meat, take up. If you have any goat meat, we'll take up one. Yeah. How much? 25. How much pounds in it? 1 kg, 2.5 pounds. Chicken back there, man. $3.15. No chicken back? No chicken back? You know, no chicken. I'm cooking for all of it. Yeah, guys, so the story behind chicken back is not that she grew up eating too much chicken back, so she don't eat chicken back anymore as an adult. But I don't mind chicken back actually, so I might just take up a few pieces actually. Then you have pork liver, oxtail, you want yogurt or anything? About eggs the other day, I don't think we need eggs. I'm gonna get the yogurt. That's okay. Yogurts. Okay.
Yogurt. I want the strawberry one.
Excuse me.
I bought it butter yesterday. Yeah, we need bread.
Excuse Malia. Oh, I didn't know something.
Which one?
The raisin. The cinnamon. This one?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good pizza.
Oh, the raisin. I'm gonna cinnamon. Same thing. Come, Malia, leave it there. Just go on there, man.
Okay, guys, let's see if they have any of the thick slice over here.
We got it.
They don't have any of the all wheat thick slice one, but they have the white one. Nah, I think we have the we have bread at home. Let's just work with that. Yeah, come in this. So I have to make sure I make it to the till.
Take out something or something. Yes, Maria? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Maria. Yes, baby. Yes, you can. Thank you for helping.
Probably should sit and think ice cream in it or something. Watch the next.
What is it that you picking up?
know, look at they older than 53. She's 73.
Wow.
What's the
that?
secret?
Your hair is good from when I had it. It came back from the I'm still years of Oh, wow. Take care. See you.
Sorry. Alright guys, so we have officially made it home. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of what we got before I tell you guys the price. So we got 4 boxes of Pediasure. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a case of juice or a carton of juice, whatever you want to call it. We got 3 coconut milk. We got 3 pounds of yellow yam, some popcorn. We got some file paper, Ziploc bag, garbage bag, both black and white. We got some cleaning products right here: bleach, toilet bowl cleaner, Windex. I don't know what this is. Not pick it up, whatever it is. And I'm not sure what this is either. Don't judge me. Anyways, we got some meat. We got some sliced fish. This is how much pounds of sliced fish is this? Babes, help me out. 1 kg, which is 2.5 pounds basically, of sliced fish. We got some leg quarters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leg quarters in this, which works out to be 1.6 kg, which is roughly almost 3 pounds. 14.66 for this. We got some chicken thighs as well. We got this one for $7.56, and this is almost 3 pounds as well. And we got 2 of those. You guys did see when I pick up these chicken back. I haven't had these in years, so just for the nostalgic feeling, I think I'm gonna do some French fries chicken back. We got some goat. We got some goat meat. 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. We got this Frank's chicken sausage. Quite a lot, you guys can see. This is 1.5 kg, which is roughly 3 point something pounds thereabouts. We got grapes. We got quite a few grapes actually. Where's it? Oh. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna say 3 pounds of grape. We got some green pepper. Got some ginger. I got an avocado. We got some plantains. We got a raisin cinnamon bread. We got 3 apples. Got some tangerine. Got some scallion or green onions, whatever you want to call it. Got some green bananas. 2 mangoes. We have some yogurt. We have strawberry. Got some strawberry. Got some raspberry. Have some blueberry. Have some carrots. We have some baked beans. So that's what we got today. This is the overall list of everything that we got at the grocery store today. Now let's sit down and go through the receipts. So before I give you guys the big reveal and let you know what the exact cost of these groceries came to, I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you guys to comment right down below and let me know where you guys are watching from, and give me a ballpark estimate of what the exact level of grocery would cost you in your home country. Ballpark. I know it's not gonna be precise, but give me an estimate of what this level of grocery would cost you in your home country and where you're watching from. Now, if you guys are seeing my face for the first time, I am living in Grand Prairie, Alberta. So grocery prices may vary based on where you live in Canada, right? So if you're watching this and you're also in Canada, let me know what this level of grocery shopping would cost you in your city as well. Now for the big reveal. I think I've delayed it enough. This came to $312.86. So $312.86 was the total cost of these groceries. And when you go to Superstore and you spend more than $300, you get a free gift. And our free gift was a baking tray. So this was the roasting pan or baking tray that we won. That we got for spending more than $300, right? So if you guys like these kind of videos, as usual, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section, and we'll continue to do more of these kind of videos. But as I wrap up this video, I want to take this opportunity to shout out all our subscribers, all the persons who have been supporting us from them time until now. And a huge welcome to all the new subscribers as well. We really appreciate you guys taking the time out to hit that subscribe button and support our family channel, the Anderson's family. And for all our channel members, thank you guys so much for going the extra step and supporting us in that special way as well. I want to take a special I want to take some time out to give a special shout out to Liam. Liam, if you're watching this video, I saw you just now at the grocery store. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for watching us, and all the best. Big up yourself, as we say in Jamaica. We appreciate your support, and you shout out to your family as well, right? If you know, you know. I'll end this video right here, right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the flip side.